Hi, Dr. McCullough here with Rori Montali. You just gave me a magnificent craniosacral adjustment, and deeply appreciate that. And high quality work, and thank you for your gift.
He's a DO. Isn't it an honorable thing from a DO? That's where they stem and learn cranial sacral.
Yeah, they developed it.
They developed it.
Yeah.
Did you ever use it in your practice?
I never did. I tried it, but I didn't seem to have the gift and skill.
The gift of intuition of the cranial rhythm.
Yeah, I didn't seem to. But you do. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Dr. McCullough.
You're welcome.
You're looking good. Thank you.
No, it was very relaxing and interesting. I felt my feet moving when you're energetically, when you're on my head.